we're at Damascotta Hardware. Today we're doing a demonstration on the glitter ball or sparkle ball. It's made with solo cups and Christmas lights. So we're going to do a demonstration and show you how to make one. First, you need solo cups. You need 50 of these, and you need a set of lights. You can use either a 50 count set of lights or you can use 100. If you use 50, there's going to be one in each cup. If you use 100, there's going to be 2 in each cup. 2 in each cup gives it a pretty look like this one here. And we just did one that has 1 in each, and it's like this. It's not quite as sparkly. So I'm a big fan of the 2. But for demonstration purposes, we're going to show you how to do the one with 1 in each cup. So you need 50 cups, set of lights, plug them in, make sure they work, so that when you get done, it'll be all ready to go. You'll need a drill bit, and your bit will depend on what size bulbs you're using. We have LEDs, some of them are bigger, and there are some that are smaller, so you'll adjust your bit according to the size of the bulb. We have regular lights too, and that's also a different size. So you can adjust your bit accordingly. You can also use the soldering tool. This melts a hole into the cup, and it also melts the cups together. So that's how I very first learned to do it. You'll also need a stapler and some staples and a few clothespins. Okay, we're going to start the first row. I've already pre-drilled all the cups. You just put a hole right down through each of the cups like that. So they're all drilled and ready to go. And your first row takes 12 cups. So you just start by stapling all these together in a circle. They kind of take their own shape as you go. And to start out, just do 1 staple around. You can go back later and you can put in more staples to make it secure. Okay, that is your first row, all stapled together, just like that. And your second row is 9 cups. You're going to staple those together in the same way. Just like that. Second row on top of the first row. Pin it together with some clothespins. That just kind of helps keep it all even. Then you can just go around and put in a few staples. And then you can go back later and re-staple it after you put the ball together, because it has a little bit more give if you just kind of not over-staple it at first. And your third row, the 4 cups on the top here, they're just going to set in here. Just kind of staple them in, like so. Just like that. And just staple them to each other wherever you can so that they're all kind of connected. Not everyone needs to be connected to each other. You'll see some space, and that's okay. Okay, and now I've already got the lights put in on half of it, so that would kind of speed the process up a little bit. So I'm going to show you the other half. This is the half. Here's your plug. Make sure your plug is out here. Keep it out here, and just kind of start in a zigzag form until it's all filled in. And then for your second section, keep your outlet out here like this, and start filling in the same manner. Stick them in. I kind of start and go into the center. Like so. And just kind of go back and forth if they're hard, if it's difficult to get one of these in, just kind of re-drill it, and it'll go in fine. Because some of these lights are bigger than others in the same set even, so not to worry, just kind of re-drill it, it'll be fine. Just want to end up right beside where you started, so that when you close the ball up, all the holes and the outlets and plugs will be in the right place. There we go. This is your last one going in here. Okay. Make sure your outlet's out, plug is out, put the two pieces together. Grab that out of there. Now you just kind of hold on to it, put some clothespins to hold it. It's easier to finish it up if you pin it, and it kind of gives you a line of where to go to staple it, because it all looks the same unless you put these on. Just like that. There. Just go around and staple. You can go around and you can staple over, double staple to make sure it holds together when you're all done. So there's your ball, and what I'm going to do too is I'm going to drill a hole in the top and the bottom, so if you want to hang it, you can use an S-hook or rope or wire, and you can hang it either way depending on what your application is. If you want to hang it from a tree, you can do that. You can plug to a cord. You can plug other ones in to this outlet here. Or if you want it to hang this way, you can hang it this way. So go ahead and either, if you use a soldering tool, you can melt it, or a drill, and drill your hole right through. You can use an S-hook or whatever you'd like to put in there, and that is it. You are all done. Just plug it in so you can see what it looks like. And this one is clear, and that's what it looks like. And that's the glass on the sparkle ball.